In this video, we will go over operation of the Fast-16 qPCR instrument. With options for either battery power or an external power supply, it is highly portable and well suited for on-site use. The Fast-16 accepts 200 microliter tubes and can process up to 16 samples at once, with a minimum sample volume of 20 microliters. The Fast-16 is also compatible with most qPCR assays, such as probes, evergreen, and cybergreen. Supported functions include amplification, melt curve analysis, and quantitative or qualitative testing. Two models are available with 3 or 6 fluorescence channels supported. The 3-channel device can read FAM, hex, and ROX. The 6-channel device can further read Psi5, Psi5.5, and ATO425. In addition to compact hardware, the Fast-16 has user-friendly software. The software separates its functions in various tabs. The first of these is User Files, which contains both saved experimental protocols and past experimental data. Loading or creating an experimental protocol will open the Experiments tab. This is separated in two modules, which may be toggled back and forth: Samples and Thermal. The Samples module lets you set the fluorescence channels and wells, while the Thermal module lets you set your temperature curve. You may run your experiment at any point with the Start button, though it is recommended to save your parameters for future reference first. The Analysis tab lets you review the results of your experiment, as well as any past data loaded under the User Data tab. Here you may review the amplification, melt, standard, and temperature curves. You may also press the bar graph icon to generate a report for review on a computer. The last two tabs are Settings and Backup. The Settings tab is where you may set up user accounts or update the software and firmware. The Backup tab is where you may directly transfer files between the Fast-16 and a connected USB drive. Thank you for watching our Fast-16 demo video. For more details on software operation, please consult the instrument user manual. For other inquiries, please contact us at www.precigenome.com.